Woman uses her Doorbell video app, meantime, to try to confront a suspected thief stealing packages off of her front porch.
What are you doing?
Is this Deborah's house?
No, it's not. Put my packages back on the porch.
Yeah. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
All right, this happened earlier this week in Texas. The homeowner received an alert from her phone from her Ring video doorbell, and that's when she saw a woman loading packages into her car. The suspect claimed she was at the wrong house and then quickly drove away.
She was very apologetic. I kind of felt like maybe she did have the wrong house, but I wasn't sure. We've been having problems in this area. I talked to the police officers who came to the house, and they did say that, yeah, that people who do these things say those things. They have a plan.
Well, ultimately, the homeowner says the thief would have been disappointed. Those large boxes, she says, contained big bags of kitty litter.